Put aluminum foil on your arm, and what happens next will blow your mind. If you thought aluminum foil was only for use in the kitchen, I'm going to tell you that you're wrong. Its uses go far beyond that. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you what they are and why. People are putting aluminum foil on their arms. The reason will amaze you, so watch until the end. I'm sure you'll love learning about it. There are people over 70 who only use aluminum foil to cover roasts or put vegetables on the barbecue, and are unaware of so many other benefits and uses of this incredible object. Aluminum foil was created in Switzerland at the beginning of the last century. It became popular around the world and was initially used by industries to wrap chocolates and other food items. Today, it is present in most homes, and here in my house it would be no different. Just like at Maria Neve's house, she makes balls out of aluminum foil and puts them in the washing machine, especially when she's going to wash dark clothes, because by doing this she doesn't get any white lint or white balls on her clothes. Eliana Pereira. She uses aluminum foil to preserve fruit. What a great tip. She said that bananas in the fridge, wrapped in aluminum foil, last more than 15 days without any changes. It doesn't ripen or spoil. And Marlene Lopez uses aluminum foil when her nail pliers or scissors are blunt. She makes a little ball of aluminum foil and tries to cut the ball several times with blunt objects. This greatly improves the edge of these objects. You can also use aluminum foil to seal packages and plastic packaging. To do this, you'll need aluminum foil and an iron. Simply place the foil on top of the package you want to seal and then iron it. In just a few seconds, you'll have your packaging 100% sealed, but you're probably wondering, why put a sheet of aluminum foil on your arm? Well, this tip is for easing muscle pain. Is that right? Aluminum foil has great heating power, which is why it helps relieve pain. This is because the heat generated by the body stays in contact with the skin for longer, and the aluminum foil helps retain this heat, and you can apply it to any area of the body that has pain, providing results in many joints and muscles, and even helping with healing. To do this, just cut a piece of aluminum foil, then cover the sore area and leave it on overnight, and you can repeat this process for 7 days, or until the pain improves. So, what did you think of today's tip? Did you already know some of these different uses for aluminum foil? And do you know of any other uses we haven't mentioned? Let me know, and I'd love to hear about it. Enjoy, and let me know how far this video got you. Bye, and see you in the next video.